Hello and welcome to this deep dive into Django. If you're a developer or just curious about how many of today's powerful web applications are built, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore what Django is, why it's so popular, its core concepts, key features, who uses it, and how you can get started. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of why Django is a go-to framework for countless developers. So what exactly is Django? At its heart, Django is a high-level Python web framework. Django's philosophy emphasizes reusable components and don't repeat yourself, DRY principles. Now let's break down some of the fundamental concepts that make Django tick. Django follows the Model View Template, or MVT, architectural pattern. One of Django's standout features is its powerful Object Relational Mapper, or ORM. Another incredibly useful component is the Django admin interface. Let's delve into some of Django's specific features that give it a significant edge. Security is a top priority for Django. Django uses a clear system for URL routing, mapping URLs to Python functions called views. The Django template system provides a powerful and easy-to-use way to generate dynamic HTML. Django's power and flexibility have attracted a wide range of users, from startups to large enterprises. Some of the most recognizable websites built with Django include Instagram, Spotify, Pinterest, National Geographic, and the Washington Post. Developers choose Django for its comprehensive feature set, excellent documentation, and vibrant community. Feeling inspired? Let's briefly touch on how you can start your own Django journey. Getting started with Django is relatively straightforward. First, you'll need Python installed. Once installed, you can create a new Django project and application using simple command line tools. The Django documentation is renowned for being comprehensive and well-written, serving as an excellent resource. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of Django. It's a powerful, secure, and highly productive framework that can help you build robust web applications with efficiency and confidence. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced developer, Django offers a fantastic ecosystem to bring your web ideas to life.